Tired of paying high prices for replacement brush heads? Here's a smart alternative that just makes sense. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. These replacement toothbrush heads are compatible with Philips Sonicare electric toothbrushes and use the same click-on system as the originals. The bristles are made with DuPont material, designed to clean deeply and help remove plaque efficiently while staying gentle on your gums. What I really like about this set is that you get 10 brush heads in one pack, so you're covered for months without worrying about running out or spending too much. Each head fits perfectly onto the handle, locks securely in place, and performs just like the original. They run smoothly, with the same vibration and cleaning performance you expect from brand replacements. It's a simple, practical way to keep your daily brushing routine consistent without overspending. If you've been looking for a more affordable way to maintain your Sonicare, this set does the job beautifully. Clean, convenient, and easy to use. Just swap it in and you're ready to go. If you liked it, the link's down in the description. You can check it out or grab yours. Thanks for watching.